Stop wasting time on messy paperwork and unlock hyper-efficient client onboarding for your social media marketing agency with the power of Docusign. As a social media marketing agency, or SMMA, professionalism and efficiency are paramount, especially when it comes to client agreements. Docusign is your secret weapon to transform manual processes into seamless digital workflows. Let's break down how to leverage Docusign for your SMMA, step by step, starting with client onboarding. First, create reusable templates for your service agreements and onboarding documents. Think of your standard contract, your retainer agreement, or even your initial client questionnaire that requires a signature in Docusign. You can upload your existing documents and easily designate fields for client information, signatures, dates, and initials. When you're ready to send a proposal or contract, you'll prepare it for signing. Upload the specific document, add the recipient's email, and importantly, drag and drop the signature fields exactly where you need them. Docusign ensures everything is legally binding and secure. Once sent, your client receives a clear, professional email. They can review the document directly in their browser and sign electronically with just a few clicks. No printing, scanning, or mailing required. This dramatically speeds up the agreement process, avoiding those frustrating delays. This leads directly to faster client onboarding. Imagine closing deals in hours, not days or weeks. Your clients will appreciate the modern, hassle-free experience, setting a positive tone from the beginning. Beyond initial agreements, Docusign is perfect for contract amendments, service renewal approvals, and any other scenario where a digital signature is needed. You can track the status of every document in real time, know exactly who has reviewed and signed, and have a securely stored digital audit trail. By integrating Docusign into your SMMA operations, you're not just streamlining processes, you're elevating professionalism, reducing administrative overhead, and focusing more on delivering exceptional social media marketing services. Make your contracts as slick as your social campaigns. Start using Docusign today and elevate your SMMA with efficient digital contracting.